Once I had all the drawers painted, I went on and started on the body. To keep the edges clean, rather than taping them off, what I like to do is just go in and brush them on an angle. So I add some paint to it, and then as you'll notice, I brush up, but I'm attacking those edges on an angle, not straight up and down. And this way it keeps the edges very, very clean. Once I had all the edges done, it was time for the base of the body. And again, whenever I was painting near an edge, I made sure to use my paintbrush on an angle to keep that inside edge clean.